but I will keep a lookout for him. Would you like to come in and look for yourself? Why not? Are you afraid? Is it because I'm a stranger? What is it? What do you see? Oh no! Poor little guy.
Mr. Pepper! You found him!
Here you go.
I'm so happy for you, Mr. Pepper. Thank you for finding Mr. Pepper. You're not alone.
What?